Alright, welcome back for lesson number 6. Where we left off last time was using the insert statement. We added some records into our actor table and we saw some error messages. So we added actors over entry number 200, if you recall from the last lesson. We're going to remove those. We're going to use the DML statement for delete this time. You're going to see that we have 3 here, and we want to remove those. And the way I remove data from SQL is I always write my statement for delete as a select statement first. So in this case, we know that these are the 3 records we want to work with. So we know our where clause is good. And now that we know that's good, all we're going to do is get rid of the select star. And what I tend to do is I tend to comment that portion out. And I just change it over to a delete. And delete from the table, which is actor, and make sure we have our where clause. Do not forget that where clause when you're doing deletes, and when you see an update statement here in the future, same thing. Don't forget that where clause. You could accidentally wreak havoc on your database if you run a delete statement without the where clause. Same with an update statement. You only want certain records to be modified. Highly recommend, if at all possible, you work with the primary key field so that you guarantee uniqueness. So these 3 records will get deleted, and they'll delete perfectly okay because I've not used them. I haven't assigned them any films or anything. So we're going to delete them. Okay. And now they're gone. And then I like to leave that select statement there, like I said. So now I can verify that this worked by commenting out the delete portion and running the select portion, and those are now gone. So that's how the delete statement works. Now, where can you run into a problem with a delete statement? Typically if the value is used from a foreign key. So let's just see, for instance, if actor 200, I imagine it has a film because it's in here. If we select where actor ID is 200, let's just double check we have one, which is Thora Temple. Let's try to delete Thora, and let's see what error might run into. Okay, and what does that mean? So if we delete Thora, say we don't need her, she fails because a foreign key constraint exists on the film actor table. What that means is this actor or this actress, she has a film associated with her in the film actor table, so we cannot remove her. We'd have to take her out of that other table first in order to remove her. We'd have to say, oh, that was a mistake, she's not really in it, let's delete any instance of her in film actor, and then we could delete her record. Except that that's valid data in this case of this database, so we're not going to actually do it. But that's the only typical error message, as long as you didn't make any typos with your delete statement that can occur. Again, the where clause, I can't stress it enough. Be double, triple check. Definitely don't leave delete statements and update statements, and we'll cover update statements next in the next lesson. But do not leave those on your editor. You're just asking for trouble. So whenever I'm done with a delete statement or an update statement, I delete them and clean it up. So I hope you found this lesson number 5 useful. If you have any questions or anything, please put them in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you back in a future lesson. Thanks.